What if you could change your life in just 12 short weeks? You can at Arizona School of Dental Assisting. ASDA in Glendale is a quality school with a tradition of excellence and pride. At ASDA, earn your diploma in a quarter of the time for a quarter of the cost of other schools. Join in or out of high school. ASDA has a 98% graduation rate, a 99.9% satisfactory rating, and was voted the #1 post-secondary education by the New Times. Call now 602-678-7061 or online at azdentalassistance.com. Find out about our new orthodontic program. Local orthodontists are hiring our students straight out of our classes. And with classes day or night, there's sure to be one to fit your schedule. So don't wait. Call ASDA now.
Hi, I'm Lisa Stevenson with the Arizona School of Dental Assisting. We opened up the door almost 20 years ago to train many well-needed dental assistants. Our goal is to get you into the exciting career of dentistry in the least amount of time for the least amount of money. So come visit us for your tour to a 12 weeks to a better life.